So we did have some thunderstorms make their way through in the last couple of hours. After reaching highs today into the mid-90s, we have since fallen about 20 degrees back to 75 in Scottsbluff. A just sub-severe thunderstorm made its way through. So we got the wind north at 17, gusting to 43 miles per hour. So this was a gusty storm, and the dew point currently is at 60 degrees. Other temperatures across the region. So where the storms haven't hit yet, out toward Kimball, Bridgeport, Sydney, we are still into the upper 80s to near 90. Chadron at 86 degrees, 84 at Alliance. But Scottsbluff, Torrington points off to the west. We have fallen into the mid-70s across the region. So winds are flipping around from a strong southerly direction to behind the front, northeasterly, and the winds are starting to pick up, sustained around, say, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, especially in those storms. Do have a marginal risk of severe weather as we make our way through the rest of the evening, meaning that one or two storms could be severe. Now, let's take a look at the satellite loop. Once again, that storm in Dual County has moved into northeastern Colorado and since out of the viewing area, but we're tracking one more severe storm just off to the south of Chadron. We have a warning for half-dollar-sized hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds in portions of Dawes County, so southern Dawes County, south of Chadron. Also, this storm right here, north of Bridgeport, just sub-severe with the possibility of 50 to 55-mile-per-hour winds. Could even have some, say, penny to maybe even quarter-sized hail with that one. So this low-pressure system is over us. We do have the clashing of the air masses, really warm air making its way in. Big warm sector here, but this low continues to work its way off to the east. The high is working its way in. We're going to be on its cool side as we go through the next couple of days. So as we make our way through the evening, the shower and storm activity will move off to the east and then out of the viewing area. Lots of cloud cover, temperatures falling back to the lower 70s this evening, and low temperatures should be into the low to mid 60s as we make our way through the overnight. Now, as we go through your Wednesday, we should make it into the mid to upper 80s across the region, and our models say maybe even some very isolated showers and storms, most of us staying dry. Then for Thursday, starting off in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Thursday, you saw that big batch of rain right there, so we'll put the moisture chances probably around 80 to 90% with this one. And then after that system makes its way through, we're going to dry out and then eventually start to really warm up. So the low and the cold front on the backside, that will give us the showers and thunderstorms, will make their way through over the next couple of days. Then, and over the next couple of days, we're also on the cool side with more of a northerly wind. But as this high works its way off to the east and we have that strong southerly flow, temperatures should get back up there and we will lose the moisture chances as we go through next week. So for the rest of the week, the hot air stays, the really hot air, we'll say, stays really off to the south and off to the west. A little bit of a dip in the jet stream, so cooler air works its way in. That smoke also moves its way off to the east, and nice conditions will be off to our north and off to our east as the bulk of the moisture across the country to round out the work week will be well off to our east into the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, and into the Northeast. So we'll have one more day with temperatures in the upper 80s, then near 70. That's all we do on Thursday with rain and thunder making its way through. But 84 on Friday, 91 on Saturday, lots of sunshine through Sunday, dry, a high of 95, and then closer to 100. A few more clouds Monday and Tuesday, but we are staying mainly dry. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. About a third of Americans are under excessive heat advisories with historic